Friends, welcome to my channel, The Great Wall of China. Before starting the video, you are requested to subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel so that our new updates can reach you first. The series of stories behind famous landmarks aims to uncover the history, mystery and architectural ingenuity behind the world's most renowned landmarks, highlight not only the physical structures themselves but also the cultural, historical and personal stories they embody. In this article, as a first article of the series, we embark on a journey to explore one of the most astonishing human achievements that stretch across the vast landscapes of China, the Great Wall. The Great Wall of China, a magnificent ribbon that's wind its way through the diverse topography of northern China, from its western frontier in Gansu province to its eastern shores at Shanhaigan. Hebei province is far more than a marvel of engineering. It is a testament is a nation's historical perseverance, an enduring symbol of the architectural prowess of ancient China, and an epitome of human resilience and innovation. Credit 5 interesting facts about the construction of the Great Wall of China. Structural SAHC, stretching over 21,000 kilometers, the Great Wall's construction began as early as the 7th century BC. Several walls were built and later joined together to serve as fortifications against invasion from various nomadic tribes from the Eurasian steppe. The most well-preserved and well-known sections we see today were primarily constructed during the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644. Built with tempered earth, wood and bricks, the wall's architecture is a demonstration of human adaptability, utilizing available resources and conforming to the varied terrains it traverses, desert, mountains and plateaus. The wall is not a singular, homogeneous structure. It includes watchtowers for surveillance, fortresses for troops, and signal stations for communication. Yet beyond its architectural and strategic feats, the Great Wall is also a narrative of human endeavor. Its construction is a story of countless laborers, soldiers, peasants, prisoners who toiled under severe conditions. Their effort and sacrifice are embedded within each brick and stone of the wall. Today, the Great Wall stands not only as a physical barrier but also as an enduring monument to the Chinese nation's spirit. It is a symbol of unity, illustrating the country's historical period of harmony and conflict, centralization and disunity, isolation and openness. As we delve deeper into the story of the Great Wall in our upcoming sections, we will uncover the many tales it holds, the civilization it has seen rise and fall, the dynasties it has served, and the cultural significance it holds today. Join us as we journey through history, one landmark at a time. Stay tuned for the next installment in our series, Stories Behind Famous Landmark. Each landmark has a story to tell, a cultural imprint to understand, and an architectural marvel to appreciate, contributing to the rich tapestry of our shared global heritage. This was our today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.